Getting your first 100 subscribers on YouTube can be difficult. If you're a YouTuber and want to monetize your content through AdSense revenue, know that one of the metrics you will need is to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel in not more than 1 year. In this video, I will review the best strategy to reaching your first YouTube milestone, which is generating your first 100 subscribers. This can be a very intelligent goal to set as your first big YouTube milestone. As for 1,000 subscribers, well, that may take a little bit of time, and you don't want that delay for your YouTube journey. If you want a long-term successful online business, you will need to set for yourself a manageable target. Thus, your acceptable target is 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 hours of watch time. With your first 100 subscribers on YouTube, it means you are on your way to monetizing your channel. The problem is that it will hurt your short-term with day-to-day mindset because you won't feel as if you're making enough progress. For some channels, reaching 1,000 subscribers can take many months, if not years. If you start with the mindset that you are into day 17 or day 34 and you haven't even reached 100 subscribers, how is that going to make you feel? And when you get frustrated, you might start resorting to bad habits and awful tactics earlier on. Ready to grow your YouTube channel? Avoid sub for sub, which is against the terms of service, and as well, we all know there is no proof that it was successful in the long term for your channel. Spamming other YouTube channels with comments is also a no-no, as those actions just centered around the me mentality of a YouTube video creator, and that gets you nowhere. The key to 100 first YouTube subscribers is audience trust. As we always preach here on my channel, Make Money Online Facts, it is the value that you give to your audience that will give them to trust and make them to subscribe to your content. Don't get desperate that you resort to buying subscribers, which is the worst thing you can do on your channel. I repeat, don't do that. First of all, it is against the terms of service and it can result in your channel being terminated. Those subscribers you bought will offer absolutely zero value to your channel in terms of growing through views, watch time, and creating a community. So personally, I believe that your first subscribers milestone should be 100 subscribers. Usually, when you first start your channel, you'll be getting a new subscribers every few days. As you progress, you'll be getting maybe 2 or more subscribers daily. Moving on, you start getting tens of subscribers and more subscribers a week. The gradual increase will help you reach that goal as quickly as possible. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested in discovering more. Let me give you a base case scenario. Kick off your YouTube channel with enough content. You launch your channel, the first video goes off, and to your surprise, lots of people watched it, and then you got nothing else to show. It's also a good strategy to give your viewers a collection of videos to watch on your channel. If possible, don't launch with just one video on your channel at the very beginning. Try and pump out as many videos as possible. For example, you might be wanting to post one video a week. Maybe in that first week, you want to post 3 videos so that people who are finding your content have something to feed off quickly. It is often the case that viewers won't subscribe to the first video that they watch on a channel. It may take them 2 or 3 videos to persuade them to push that red button. And if you have more than one video, you can start to communicate to your audience in all of the content that you produce. That is on a topic that your audience is interested in. Try and get your audience to enjoy your first piece of content. Let them fall in love with your second piece of content, and then subscribe as a result of the third piece of the content. Then you potentially have a viewers there for months, years, and lifetime to come. However, I wouldn't recommend launching 3 or 4 videos at exactly the same time when you start your channel. You want to give each video a moment to breathe on the platform. If you have a batch of videos you want to upload to your YouTube channel, don't upload it at once. Just make sure that they remain private until you are ready to publish them. Then, when you do publish them, stagger them at least one day. And then, if you don't intend to post on a daily basis on YouTube, probably you need to give each video at least 48 hours to breathe. Sincerely speaking, posting 3 in first week is probably perfect. You will learn that when your video gets released, you get a lot of bonus from YouTube, and you will find that you have rapid view velocity in the first 24 hours. But if you are launch them at the same time, it's not giving YouTube a chance to distribute that content to the potential audience it's looking for. It might be difficult to sustain the volume of content you push out in the first week or month on your YouTube channel. It is necessary to give your viewers more content as they are able to provide them when you first launch your channel. The first subscribers to your channel who you don't know in real life are wondrous thing. Just consider what's happening here for a second. Somebody somewhere in the world has just found your content valuable enough that they want to be notified anytime you release more content. From here, your channel starts to grow in subscriber. Then it gets to 10,000 for a bus, just like a line of people waiting for a bus. Then you get up to 25 subscribers. That is a room full of people. And when you start to get towards 100 subscribers, which is a half full of people, you can imagine people standing on stage and speaking to those people directly in real life. It's a terrifying prospect, but every single one of you is doing that every single day as you try to reach this first big milestone. These real life people are very precious to you, and you have to treat them well for growing your channel with you. Be consistent and focused from the start. When you have small sample size, if people are subscribing to a particular video on your channel, try to make more of that content. We are drifting down to the common topic of niching down. This is one of the YouTube's most important strategy, but I'm going to try and keep it very light for this video. Let's say you are watching television and you come across a new sitcom and you enjoy the first episode that you watched. You enjoy the character, the comedy is on point with your type of humor, and you like the way the story was going. What happened if by next week you tune in and they remove half of the character, and the comedy and the script writing are off, and the story has suddenly jumped the shark in some way? You are probably going to turn off from that content. Right now, that is a bit of an extreme case of our course, but on YouTube channel, this happens pretty much with all channels. Honestly, I don't understand this. Many creators are a little self-indulgent because they want to create what they are going to enjoy, and not realizing there are an audience out there that have already watched some of your previous content, enjoyed it, subscribed to it, and really wanted to see more of that content. If you continue to deliver content that your subscribers have subscribed for, you will start to build more subscribers, and I guarantee you that. And remember, I've already said that the first video a viewer watch on your channel may not convince them to subscribe. However, due to the way YouTube recommendation work, even if a viewer doesn't subscribe to your channel, they may see more of your content appear in their browser's feed or suggested video. And if they watch a second video from you, which is similar to the first, and they enjoyed it more, then that will convince them to subscribe. But it has to stay on the topic for the audience watching habits. 3. It's okay to ask your viewers to subscribe when it is necessary to get them into your mindset as early as possible in your YouTube journey. It's okay to ask people to subscribe to your channel. Some people have a real mental block about this. Maybe it is because they find it too embarrassing, or because they feel as if they are begging too much from their audience. This is not the same as sub for sub. Remember, the viewers are already watching your video and you are providing value for them. There is nothing wrong with reminding the audience with, hey, if you want to see more of this content, then it might be a good idea to subscribe to the channel. There are many ways to ask people politely to subscribe to your channel. For example, in this video, at the very beginning, what I did was, hello, here is MakeMoneyOnlineFacts channel, and welcome to our YouTube channel, the channel that educates you on your YouTube journey and how to make money online. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you are the first to be notified when there are new release of videos. In 18 seconds, I told new viewers about the fact, who we are, our value proposition, and why you should subscribe to my channel in a slightly inventive way. As you continue on through the video, if you get to a point where you deliver something of real value or a spectacular moment in a video, and that is your payoff to a certain extent, don't be afraid to put in a call to action there as well. And what I mean by a call to action is asking the viewers to subscribe, or something on screen that you don't even address. It's just there. It just remind the viewers, hey, if you're liking this, remember to press that red button to subscribe. You can also add a subscribers watermark to your video, and this can be really effective for bringing in few extra subscribers to every single video. And don't be afraid to also put a subscribers link in your channel description, in the end screen, and maybe in a pinned comment. Give your viewers as many opportunities as possible to remind them that it is free to subscribe to your channel, and they will get the value from it because you're going to give your audience exactly what they are asking for. Number 4, the first few months will be frustrating, but keep going. If you're really serious about growing your YouTube views and subscribers, there is another important aspect throughout your YouTube journey, which is prospect. You may not like what I'm about to tell you, but it is the truth. When you start your YouTube channel, you have no authority, you have no proof, you have no influence, you have no social proof. From the audience perspective, they are seeking to the question, why should I subscribe to you? What makes you different as a video creator? From YouTube's perspective, the platform wants more data from your content. It wants to know which audience is watching your content and for how long, how successful, and whether or not to push that content to more people after they have watched it and indeed subscribe. I'm not going to lie to you. The first few months on YouTube can be a real struggle. For many creators, hitting that first 100 subscribers was the most challenging thing they did on their channel. But then, Hitting the next 100 subscribers wasn't so hard, and then the next 100, and before you know it, you are up to 500, and then you are coming into the 1,000 subscribers mark, which needs to happen in a connection between the viewers and the content creator. When you build trust, you build a relationship, and you get onto a personal level, you somehow impact that viewer in an emotional way. This creates bond where the subscription hopefully will happen, and then who knows what beyond that. What I have done through this video is establish some of those bonds, suggest, accept, and embrace the challenge. Think of it in a completely different mindset. Enjoy the journey as you are on to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. You need to enjoy making video. That's what you're going to be doing the majority of the time, and it could take you 50 video, 100 video, even 6 months to understand whether you like the process, and if you are concentrating more on how you are going to deliver the content to your audience and observing their feedback rather than looking at that single metric of subscriber or that single metric of views and watch time. I guarantee you will enjoy the process, and before you know it, you may not even realize that you have surpassed your 100 subscribers. Check out our playlist of videos on making money online, and make sure to hit the subscribers button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next.